Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn and draw alphabets and numbers. So kids, let's learn the names of the color. Red color, yellow color, blue color, black color, green color, and white color. Kids, now I draw alphabets. And first I draw A and use red color. This is A. A for apple. This is B. B for ball. This is C. C for cat. This is D. D for dog. This is E. E for elephant. This is F. F for fish. This is G. G for God. This is H. H for helicopter. This is I. I for ice cream. Kids, now J. The alphabets of J and use yellow color. Yellow color. This is J. J for joker. This is K. K for kangaroo. This is L. L for lion. This is M. M for moon. This is N. N for nose. This is O. O for octopus. This is P. P for parrot. This is Q. Q for quill. Kids, now draw R. The alphabets of R and use blue color. Blue color. This is R. R for rose. This is S. S for sun. This is T. T for teacher. This is U. U for umbrella. This is V. V for van. This is W. W for wallet. This is X. X for telephone. This is Y. Y for yo-yo. This is Z. Z for zebra. Kids, now draw numbers. And first I draw 1 and use black color. This is 1. This is 2. This is 3. This is 4. This is 5. This is 6. This is 7. This is 8. This is 9. And last we draw 10. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.